Okay. Good morning, guys. So we are a little bit early today, but that's okay. Let me turn down this stream. So one second. Let me get my headphones. Okay. So no news today. So I think we're okay. Let's connect. So basically start the stream first, and then I'm going to connect to Apex. There we go. So here's the problem. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, possibly 9 days to make about 2 grand. So we gotta get a little aggressive in this one. So I'm kind of, yeah, I really should be trading these more aggressively. It's kind of really one of the problems, I think, is that I'm not really trading them as they should be traded, because obviously, fortunately, the cost of the eval does actually matter to me. So it might not matter to some of the other streamers that are out there because they're getting free evals just from streaming and from just streaming and from the evals, or from people purchasing evals with their code. So yeah, so for contracts, so next week, not next week, but the following week, if we're not there close to approach there, I'm gonna get pretty aggressive. So it's gonna be like 8 contracts or 10 contracts or something like that on that stuff. Just because you kind of need to just make it, right?
Order filled.
Okay. Looks good.
Order filled.
Alright, so we're gonna do 4 contracts here. Okay, so we're all set. Well, wow, it's actually closer to what's the thing. We have 20 seconds. Not sure what this is about here. That's kind of weird. Right before the open. But anyway, let's see if we can get our 2 wins in the golden period and just be done for the day. Okay, so there's the market. So there's nothing to do in the options portfolio because I'm a little bit, my buying power is at 60%, so I'm not gonna put on any new positions, and then any kind of wheeling that I have, those I actually, ideally I put them on Friday, but now it looks like because of the options or buying power, I have to put them on Monday. Um, Oops. Okay. So, no trades so far. If I do two accounts at once, I need to have a macro to arm it on and off. Because sometimes switching it off is pretty quick. Okay, so no trades so far. It is what it is. It might be a slower day. Actually, take a look at my accounts real quick. Obviously, we're up today. Market rebounded quite well. Yeah, everything looks good. I don't think I'm probably not gonna get a sign on a lot of stuff, but still possible. Oh, GDX jumped a lot, so there's no way I'm gonna get a sign there. Okay, so no trade so far. That's not good.
Order filled.
Filled. Come on. Give me a win. Give me a win.
Target filled.
Okay, good. Still gonna put it in regression. Maybe I won't do it for this one. Maybe that's a little bit. But the first one definitely have to because I need a win. I need to get that over 300 for today. Okay, so four minutes in. We are good on the day so far. The second one is a new account, so I'm not really worried about that one, going too hard on that one. Yeah, I need to get my mentality right too. Okay, we're getting strong delta here. Yeah, and it's still the first 10 minutes, or yeah, 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna keep in regression because there's a lot of volume that can bring stuff back. But again, it's just more.
Order filled. Target filled.
Okay. All right, that's not bad. Okay. Wish I had gotten it in my other account, but yep, okay, it is what it is. So now we're gonna drop down to one contract. We're just gonna wait until, now we're actually gonna just analyze the market. So that's good. We're close to halfway. Just need more of these trades. Let's see. Just looking at my accounts. I'm at 55. I guess I could put on the ES. So I'm supposed to put an ES 112 on today. So basically ES slash MES 112. So I'll go one ES contract, and then I would go, then the debit will be an MES. Let's see. Man, let's take a look. Okay, so nothing to do. We're still very, so this one, actually, I'm not gonna trade this one. But yeah, so let's do that actually. Let's remove the first one, because this is good. We hit our target, fortunately. Okay, now it's locked up. Interesting. So we didn't get the error today. So we only took one trade in two accounts. Okay, so just looking at the ES contracts here. What can I do? Can I put one on June? $80.90. I can get one at 2,000 for $42. It says it'll take. Yeah, I think I'll do that because, like, all right, let's see if I can get a good price on this. Okay, so we're still at okay. So now we dropped, and so basically we have two. So we're just looking for one more trade on the day, and then we're kind of done, because we're looking for 3 wins. We got 2 wins, right? Obviously this one has one, but we did actually have 2 wins. So we're looking for one more win. Okay, so actually let's pay attention, not actually trade. Um, still regression. I think nothing changed at the moment. So we're just looking for one more trade, and then we'll be done. So we'll be at 200 hopefully on the new eval, and yeah. So wow, I didn't get filled there. I think I'll get filled on that little drop there. Okay, so let's watch the deltas. I don't think we need to do anything yet because deltas are still almost at the end of this candle. And okay, let me turn off Joseph because he's not really doing anything. He's going back to deja vu trading. Even though we're here, this one I still think we're gonna have to go pretty big on that last week. So, okay, let's just wait for this candle to stop real quick, just in case. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. So those days, we need to basically be there. So we need to make 300 a day, and we need to be basically there. That's gonna be hard because if we don't get 2 trades to the open like we did today, and then I have to drop down to 2, we're definitely on that last week. Okay, on that last week here, we're definitely gonna have to go big. We're gonna have to go like 6 contracts or whatever we need to pass it. And yeah, obviously I won't go 6 contracts on here, right? Because that's not necessary. Wow, this MOD is like going to the roof. CIL, not bad. Okay, so market is still good. We're still good. Okay, I'm just gonna read. I'm gonna wait on my yes. I'm just gonna cancel it. I'm just gonna wait. Just need to concentrate on this last. Okay, that probably would have been a win, but then we could have gotten built here. So we never know. I guess we'll know it once we do a replay, which I guess we'll do if we finish earlier. We'll do a replay and see. So here, now we're gonna wait on this candle and see, because we got a big delta candle here. So I could have armed it throughout. Maybe I caught that one. Maybe, and I got my win. But I could have caught it here and gotten stopped out like here, right? So that's why I don't farm it when the deltas are increasing and become very heavy like that. So if this turns green, which it looks like it's going to do, we're going to arm it. You have like 20 seconds left. So yesterday, I think today will be yesterday we had some really strong deltas. So we had like multiple bars like this where, the delta was just spiking to 500, 700, 1,000, just randomly. But we don't really have that today, which is good. So I'm more confident about today trading than I am about yesterday trading. But either way, we're gonna watch those deltas. We're approaching the low of the day, but deltas are still decent. So again, I'm being very conservative with my picking right now, right? Just watching those deltas, watching this number, right? So I do also need to use the bathroom, so I'm hoping to get this last trade in, and then I can go to the bathroom. Okay, nothing to do. So let's check what our 3 criteria. Interval is 2. Deltas are okay, a low, and we are not at the bottom or at the top. So we are good to go. So watching those deltas, like anything over 300, especially with increasing speed in that delta, I'm gonna disarm. So everything is up today. Gold is up, oil is up, bonds are up. Yeah, so the other thing, wow, we didn't get filled. Interesting. The other thing about that I'm doing is I'm doing basically the wheel and covered strangle strategy on oil, the market, Qs, bonds, TMF, and gold, GEJX. Okay, so we're getting increasing deltas here. Let's see if it explodes. Okay, I'm gonna disarm it there, because we could have a huge sweep here. So that was probably not necessary. Probably could have been filled and done, but I'll use the bathroom too. Come on, can we get that last trade? So the way this works is that you get filled a lot on these delta explosions, but you have to be careful not to get filled on one where it's like, maybe I should change this to something else, like a 30-second or something like that, where the aggregate is a little bit stronger, or a little bit less. You don't want to get filled on like an exploding deltas, right? So where it's like 36, okay, this is actually pretty good right here. So if it goes down here again, people who are more discretionary could go along here. Okay, I was hoping to be done already. Maybe I was a little bit too cautious and I'm not getting filled. Like here, technically, could have just left it. So we watch those deltas. Okay, that's a pretty big reversal there. I wonder what my threshold is on my account. So it's at 55% right now. Pretty much delta neutral. I have two deltas. 11 per thousand buying power left. Okay, so we have increasing deltas. So I'm gonna watch the second candle here, because I think it filled, so I'm going to disable it now, because renewable, no, disable. Probably could have gotten a win there, maybe. Yeah, it looks like we're selling off a little bit. I wish I would just get filled. Maybe I'm a little bit too cautious here. Wow, that's a huge delta. Huge delta. Okay, so now we have to wait more. Okay, so we need to wait. We need to wait. We wait for the market to calm down a little bit. So the question is, so we're gonna wait for this interval to reduce a little bit, so basically 2 minutes. So we're basically waiting for the market to calm down a little bit. Because the ratio is at 5 at the moment. Okay, we're still at 5. So we're gonna wait. It's probably gonna be one more. Yeah, it's gonna be one more candle unless we break down more here. Let's wait. Nope, looks like we're not gonna be able to trade. Nope, we're not gonna be able to trade. So let's see. So, the interval is 5. We are at the bottom here, which is not necessarily bad, but the interval is still 5. So we want to let the market calm down a little bit, which might happen in the next one. So getting ready to regret on. So once we make that new candle, oh, we're still at 5. Wow. I think we're okay to arm again because it's just lagging that last candle there. Our deltas are pretty low. Oh, is there a report today? No. Tomorrow we do have a report at 9, but not today. So we're good to, okay, so now we're back at 2. Our deltas are still low. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so okay. Nothing to do at the moment. I'm just gonna watch. Let the market pull itself out a little bit. Okay, so okay, so we're gonna watch. We're gonna watch the deltas here. Come on, you can't get that last trade. Maybe too conservative. I don't think I'm that conservative. Well, I guess I am. So ideally, you get filled in one of these low delta candles. That gives a much higher probability of success. I guess, maybe. question is, do I want to put on my ES trade today? I'm supposed to put it on today. ES of a MES trap. We're at 55% buying power. I don't even know what the buying power threshold is. There's no way I can do a 50. It says I only reduce my buying power usage by 500, but somehow I doubt that. I don't know if that's being calculated correctly. Okay.
Order filled.
Oh, got filled on something. Oh.
Stop filled.
Okay, I'm done. God, that's so annoying. Yeah, that was unfortunate. Like, filled me there. Yeah, looks like we're gonna run down today. Maybe I just trade the first 10 minutes for now. Just to get it past, and this was annoying, dude. It's pretty much a break even on the second account. Do I want to keep trading? Probably not. Yeesh. Let's see what happens if I make this a 30-second chart instead. I mean, no, that wouldn't have saved me either. Okay, we're just gonna do another one, because that's a little annoying. Actually, no, let's not do that. Let's go sim. It's annoying.
Order filled.
Huh. Wow, it's doing really badly today. Might get stopped out here.
Stop filled.
Wow. That is strange. That's very strange. I mean, got heavier delta there, but geez, I'm glad I stopped. That is strange. Yeah, I think the past week it just hasn't been doing very well. Anyway, I do have to use the bathroom, so we'll just call it here. And I want to replay this day and see if I was just a little bit too. For number one, so I not trade after 9. Like, when was my losses? No. When were they? Okay. Yeah, after 9. Maybe I just stopped at 8.5. But now we have a strong candle. Just looking at my, yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do today. I must separate out the first 30 minutes with the last 9:30, so it might be 8 to 9, kind of 8:30 to 9 kind of trading day. Okay, that's all I got. I'll do it.